লাল লালটা, হ্যাঁ
ডান পাশ না?
হ্যাঁ ডান পাশে। হুম হুম।
Point 4 mm. Yeah, point 4 mm. Yeah, 4 bar.
4 bar.
4 bar. You can mention 4 bar also. Point 4 mm. Okay. Then left.
সুইচ, দিস সুইচ।
Main power.
Main power.
ওকে, দেন পাওয়ার অন।
Then press.
This is manual or auto?
Okay. Then no, release. Give time for a second so that their angle will come. Then start.
স্টার্ট দিতে হবে।
Then start. Finish. Yes. Now open the and software.
ডাবল ক্লিক, কসমস, এম কসমস, ডাবল ক্লিক করেন। এম কসমস উপরেরটা, হ্যাঁ।
Yes. Now learn mode.
Yeah.
Where do you have to go?
First we want to make a calibration.
Calibration. Then remove the component.
Is it fixed point or I can do it another point?
Yeah.
Master.
We calibrate this one. Okay.
Now go learn mode.
Yes. Yes. Part program.
Click on this.
Part program.
No, this here.
What is this?
Yeah, then
Last
Last
method.
method.
Master
Yeah,
ball position.
click or click. No, it's not required. It will not come up again. Once it will come once.
Okay.
In this window. Now override the.
Override. Existing part. Part program.
Okay.
Okay.
Click করতে হবে।
This is okay.
This is not need to change.
View point. Part program.
No.
Okay.
You already.
Yes.
Select করে আর
As
a probe.
So what I selected?
now this is steel. So Amron steel is the first one. Just like this first one.
No, I calibrate this.
No, the calibration automatically it will take care. But initially, this is for the component which you are going to measure later on.
Okay.
You are calibrating. Calibration thermal expansion already machine knows that not required.
Okay.
Amco iron.
exit and
एग्जिट एंड कैलिब्रेट नीचे नीचे
Exit and calibrate.
Now,
Last
probe
calibration.
builder.
not required probe builder because we already configure this one. No need to change.
If I want to
If I
calibrate, then probe
probe
builder.
builder. But right now not required because this configuration already registered.
I want to be, I want to
Calibration.
calibration. Here not with probe
Probe
builder.
builder. New probe builder. You change this probe and some other probe you put in, that
They
time
will
is required. Manually, we are taking point. Better you go for manually always. Manually take up. No, click on that.
हाईलाइट
It should
से
be highlighted. Yes,
Hmm.
this condition. Then okay.
আগে একটা দেখা যাবে পয়েন্ট কাটে ম্যানুয়ালি আমি এটা দেখা দিব তারপর অটো মেটালিক
Then here is system.
Then okay.
No need to change.
No need to change anything. Now take first point on the stylus direction.
আগে উপরে নিতে হবে অটো নেবে
Right. Yeah. 10 points is total 10 points.
কমপ্লিট
Then okay. It's complete. Now remove this one and
ইয়েস মেজার মেজার মেজার
4 points ঠিক আছে
না এই যে জাস্ট প্লেনে ক্লিক করছে দেন থেকে এখানে এই অপশন আছে আমি এখন মেজার করব
it should be repeated right?
it should, yeah, okay.
ইটস
Should
ওকে
repeat or
No, not repeat.
No repeat.
We should not repeat because we don't require second K now. We require
right,
second
right,
line.
জাস্ট ওয়ান সাইড
Only
just
one.
1 and 4 points
Oh yeah, one time, 4 times. 4 points.
Okay.
Hmm.
Major okay.
Yes.
নো নো
It's CNC is command for CNC.
চলে আসছে
Clear? This 4 point is coming.
Yeah,
Clear
4 point
mention? 4 point, 1 by 4. So need to take 4 point. Yes. It becomes 0 0. If you take here also, here also, here also, this all point should be
Plane.
same after alignment.
Plane will be 0.
Plane is 0. If it tilts like that also, then also be same
It will show
alignment. So that's the reason. Okay.
Now we take 4 point.
Yes.
না ওইখানে কিছু করতে হবে না, এখান থেকে করতে হবে সফটওয়্যারে তো কমান্ড দেওয়া শেষ
So this is measured by this probe. These If you have that any component, you need to inspect from there. You bring it.
মোল্ড আনলে ভালো হতো মোল্ড স্পিডারে কমাই দেবেন এটা অ্যালাইনমেন্ট পুরো দেওয়া যায় একদম সি আর বরাবর আছে
Then one line and then single point or a line. So we make it 0 here. Like that.
Now
Okay. This you can perform also, but you perform like this. Then select the plane, which plane you
নিচে নিচে যে মার্ক করা আছে অলরেডি
and in which
XY plane.
plane in which yeah.
ক্লিক করাই আছে আপনি স্ক্রিনশট নিতে পারেন
Then here one 0 point, na? Create a 0 on that. It's already highlighted, na? Okay, no problem. Then
Okay.
okay.
Now.
So see, okay, this plane aligned. Now take a line.
origin of na
হুম
3 point.
Measure 3 point, yes.
ঠিক
Okay.
XY plane, in which plane? XY plane.
That's it. Okay. Memory 1.
Yes, no. Okay.
এটা হচ্ছে অটো ম্যানুয়াল
Major automatic is off.
Off always should be off.
It is on also. No.
Because we are working on manual.
No. Actually, for example, I know the
Yeah.
coordinate.
হাইলাইটস করে
That
থাকলে অন
time
হবে
also I can measure this also automatically. No need to my choice.
Okay.
Only just give the
No.
coordinate. Machine goes there because if I have a drawing, so after
Okay.
making a line.
You will also explain the auto mode.
Photo mode, yes. Depend on him. How is skill.
Align axis parallel to axis.
Yes, align parallel. That is correct.
Selection clear. Align to axis of it.
Okay, click on that. Then which axis we need to align?
Y.
And which axis we are
Axis
taking?
flat axis.
Axis. Correct. Because we are taking a line in a x-axis. So automatically it's aligned. Now y-axis.
Then again line.
Line.
Again measure.
Measure.
Why?
Today it's okay.
You are
So
missing
today-
because you are missing Bishu. उनकी जगह किसने क्या किया?
Alternatives.
Today enough.
What did you eat at breakfast?
Banana okay, no problem.
Only banana apple okay.
Yeah, only banana. No problem for me. Really, our diet is very less. Chapati morning to little bit more in afternoon lunch, but night also two or sometimes also skip.
Chapati roti.
Only chapati.
Again, line axis parallel to axis.
Yeah. No. This second is coming. So where we want to create a origin? This point. So first we need to take a point. Then go in a point. Then intersection.
Interesting.
Yeah, which this one is an intersection. Yes. You learn it all fastly. Then okay. Then there are two lines.
Two line.
So upper line is already selected, but second element line is not selected. Plane is selection. So you need to click on line.
Second line.
Second line, they both give you an intersection. Okay, click on okay. See, the point is coming here. So now this make 0, na? So create origin. Below that. Create in this row.
Serial number.
Yes. Before that. Yes, create origin. Then X, Y, Z.
तीनों select करा
All need to be. Please select the point. When you select the point, that point is highlighted, become red. Red, na? That's okay. If you off, then this direction will not become 0. Only other two become 0. So in meantime you need to select it all three.
X, Y, Z.
Yes. X, Y, Z, yes. Clear? This becomes 0. And you can see the graph also. Graph 0 is coming. This 0 is coming. Okay? So now.
So today we learn this.
Yeah, today now. Yeah.
From 9:30
No, this is a basic thing.
This is basic.
Actually, if you learn this one,
This.
how you shift? Half. Any idea?
We need to take points on the
Okay.
By
Yes, this is also one. And but this is a
Two
wrong
line.
person. Two line.
Making two line and
Yes,
then
yes,
section
yes.
by two.
This one.
Yes. Actually, what happened? We are taking
4
plane. Okay. Now we taking line, and this also line, and we having an option symmetry line. So center line will come, same line, center line will come. Then both lines, symmetry line, intersection. This point will come. This will. This is okay. You can do. Now designer gives 0 here. Then
center that
first what will do?
Half diameter?
No, what will do? First plane.
Make it center.
Plane. First is plane. Plane. Then second
Second task.
line. Align this circle.
Same.
Create XY0. Alignment must axis alignment, otherwise no procedure.
Every time align must.
Yeah. Then last condition, I don't have this, means
Yes, line is.
line is not good. Then what you will do? Only those two circle is given and this this area is not good. So what you will do? Plane, circle,
Center.
circle, second circle, line, point, circle 1, circle 2, one line will form. Align this in a x-axis, create a origin this one.
Plane, circle,
Line, connect these two, one line become, align this and then create circle number 1, 0. This is also one condition for this. So right now only one condition you learn this one. So now perform again second condition.
Plane.
Plane,
Line.
wait, this one.
This line.
Center.
Yeah. Center.
Line.
Center.
And intersect here.
Yes. Create. File. Click on. It's a second condition. File. System. Reset system. Click on this. Then yes.
Reset system.
Then all deleted. See, find out everything is deleted. Let's start. Come from start.
This
one. Okay. And okay. Exit for calibration. Exit and calibration. Same. No need to do. You already did everything. Then okay. Select now. We don't need to calibrate because we already
Already
did.
calibrated.
Then just select this one. Then okay. So they already selected. View. Now this probe is coming here. Now its machine is ready for measurement. Same as tool is ready for cutting. Okay. Now.
Isn't it possible to save my probe information?
Yeah, that's already saved.
If I change the probe,
When you change the probe, I'm not ready.
You told it that every time we set a probe here, we need to calibrate.
Yeah, you need to calculate.
Every time.
No, not every time. It's actually in an industry, what happened? What they have,
Lot of probes.
they have different angles, and somehow while measurement, some hit, means accident is going on, so that error is coming in a picture out. So they need to be calibrated once they set up, calibrate at all probes, and then run their programs in a 3 shift because their machine is 24 hours running. In fact, one of our customer, they run 24 hours and 360 days, no holiday, continuously running. And when we go for a calibration, that time we took hardly, they give us how much time you require, and they will come that time. If we delay, we need to complete our time.
Now,
So now if I turn off the whole machine,
No need to.
this probe configuration will be saved.
Same, yes. No need to be. If this is same is that. No need to.
Okay. Now line. Okay. Measure to okay আছে. Measure to আছে. Okay. এটা manually আছে. ওটা থাকবে না।
Now 4 line you need to take. So press repetition. Asking press repetition.
একই কাজ হবে।
cancel করেন।
এটা
এটা
If
হবে
you
না।
click on that, so automatically command will come.
এখন লাইন
লাইনে ক্লিক করেন আবার আসবে হয়তো।
আবার এখানে
না এখান থেকে আসবে না ওইখান থেকে আসবে।
এটা আগে নেওয়ার পরে তারপর
করো তো।
না আগে না এটা শেষ করতে হবে।
If I already set a command, okay,
I
but
select
now I
a
don't want to perform it.
previous.
So you delete this. Here, right. Yes.
Second line. Line.
This one. automatic element repetition.
Yeah. Kita baru dulu. Okay. Okay. No.
स्टेप कंप्लीट ना करलो डावला
And then
Now this time.
no, other.
ওইটা আসলে তারপরে
Any, it's okay. This also okay. This also okay. Any line, but you need to be remember when you taking a symmetry line, na? That time you memorize which line you need to select.
তাহলে কি অপোজিট করে করলে
অপোজিট
if I want to do the calculation exact
Okay.
Bum side.
Exact means how this.
when I am drawing this way,
Okay. Okay.
I am not taking the exact corner. right?
Okay. Okay.
So the exact length is not putting there.
No, that will come automatically. Na? It's a generating line, na? For example, you taking point here.
First of all, we are taking plane.
Yes, you already taking plane. Yes.
By taking plane, I can set lane exact length.
এবার সিমেট্রি লাইনে কোনো অপশন আছে
Plane.
না অটোমেটিক আছে
অটোমেটিক
This is my
Yes, you are right. Yes.
I take point here, here, and here.
Oh yes.
Not the corner point.
Yeah. Then only
So how the
measurements. Okay. This generate line, and line is infinite. It goes like that, and this also line goes infinite. Why if you are taking these 3 points also, it goes like that, infinite. This okay. So this also finite like that. This also finite that point.
No, no. It's like this one.
Yes. Then yeah, where you want to make a origin here,
Yeah.
then also same. Means center point you want to make. Center point. So in that condition, the center point always is different from here also and here also. From this center point or maybe from this center point. Possible. In that condition, we take a intersection point. We take an intersection point. Then we have a symmetry point. This point will come here. Then we
মাঝে
go
সেন্টার
to
নেওয়ার
origin. We'll make a
মাঝ বরাবর সেন্টার নেওয়ার জন্য
only
অরিজিন
single axis
0 0 করার জন্য
and this point only y-axis origin, single origin. Then the both become center.
Now, so
So scenario will change, but right now drawing stage these are 90 degree, these both are 90 degree. That's why we are doing this. Yes sir.
now take all four side.
All four sides. Now delete the command
This one. This one.
and yes.
Yes.
Now go in the line.
Line.
So you don't want to measure, but you want to symmetry line. So you go in a symmetry. Symmetry element. Okay, click. Then okay. Now line. So which line? Already select this line selected. Then select the opposite one. These two lines are selected already. The red, these become red. Then click OK.
here select line or line.
My line is coming. Center line come. Now again go symmetry line.
Line.
Yes. Symmetry line. And okay.
This side.
Then select these two.
If I want to select here,
Here then scroll down. Na? Scroll down please. If you want to select here, if you from here also. Scroll. This. Here all line are coming. And click above. These two red. These two are coming. Now
center is here.
Now- origin is here,
Yeah.
but you right now okay align create 0.
It origin.
Create origin.
Side. Master origin.
No line, not a line. We want to create origin of point. But have you not just make, but you didn't make intersection point. You haven't made any intersection point. So cancel this command. This is two lines are coming, but intersection point is not still created. So where you will go? Intersection
Point.
Then where? Intersect. Yes. Okay. Then okay. See which two lines? This and this. But right now already plane is selected. So second is element. Which one is selected? Plane. But what should we need?
Line.
But
Line.
line. Yes, line. So which two line? This one.
This one.
Click. These two are red now. Then click OK. Now intersection point is coming here. Okay.
Now create
Now,
origin.
this line also not aligned. It should, we need to be aligned this also. So where we need to go?
Align.
Align with axis. Correct. First align with axis. Then which line should we select? This one. X-axis. Then okay. No. This is x-axis now. Then okay. Yes. It now straight. This is 90 degree here and make it 0 here. Now create origin. Then which point? Both point, yes, correct. Okay. This is another axis, so 0 is becoming 0 and this is also 0. Now center, from center, now all clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now if you want to create a origin here, this, now measure this one, circle, plane, only no need, now change, just measure the circle. Measure. Yes.
Okay. No. Measure.
This circle is 0.
I have a question.
Yes.
If I take first time,
Okay.
then I need to plane here,
Yes.
then circle. Yes. But at the time, plane is already taken.
Taken. But you already disturbed.
Yeah. Now again I now again I select plane, then circle.
Yes. If you not change,
Then only
yeah.
circle.
Only circle.
Now I take plane.